Just a quick video today. We are replacing the bonnet hinges because, well, just the passenger side, because this one's broken. Tried welding it, but it doesn't work. I managed to finally find some. I've got a pair here, and that. Got a pair from a 262. They look identical, so hopefully they'll actually fit. So I'm gonna whip that one off, whip this one on, give it a good clean first, and grease everything to prevent yours from breaking. All the little pivot points, like here, on the back there, up top, all of those need greasing. If they're not greased, I guarantee they'll break at some point. And a nice bit of sunshine just come out. So we need is your little normal ratchet extension. I've got a wobbly bit as well, just to help get the ones further down. So now with the bonnet supported on both sides, just in case, gonna go ahead and take out the new one. Oh man, I don't think that fits. It's different. That is the only part it appears different on. So, my solution right now, this is the one that I've tried welding. This fits the car. This is the new one that does not fit the car. So I've obviously taken it off of this. So I'm going to grind off all of this old crappy weld, because, you know, don't know what I'm doing. And then take this piece out, give it a nice little clean up, bolt it back together with the new hinge, and then this bottom bracket should fit into the car. She ain't the prettiest thing in the world. You know what? She'll do. As I said before, it's not pretty by any stretch of the imagination, but it is more than functional and stronger than the shitty welds I put in before, so fits like a glove. So I'm going to get that bolted in now and then get the spring on. So before I put that spring in, I'm going to check the alignment of everything. So I'm going to take off this little prop here. Woo. See how good we've got. It's still sticking up here. So this will need moving back, and the other one can be moved down. So let's go ahead and do that. There we go. I mean, these scratch marks from a while back, but the body line is smooth now. It's perfect in here. Obviously this side is where I'm repairing. I'll probably not make it into a video. I might do a compilation of smaller videos of like videos that didn't make it as a full episode. That might be part of it. But yeah, I just need to put the hinge in now, the spring, so, and sort out that rust. But hey, thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.